Let's make a steak sandwich. It's a complete meal in every single bite. You get protein, carbs, and fiber. Tapos, ang sarap pa. We'll be using this thick-cut Australian ribeye that I got from Charles Meat and Seafood Trading. We'll cook this over high heat, 3 minutes on each side, and then I'll let it rest for 6 minutes before slicing. Ang gusto ko sa steak, yung medyo rare pa at the center, pero kung prefer mo yung mas luto pa, then habaan mo lang yung cooking time. In fairness, na-impress ako sa quality nitong steak nila. It's really tender and juicy. As you can see, very effortless yung pag-take ng bite, hindi katulad ng mga parang goma at matitigas na steak. Up next, slice na natin itong favorite kong sourdough bread from Baker's Champ. We'll toast this on both sides, tapos mag-a-add na tayo ng mozzarella cheese. Iko-cover ko lang yan hanggang sa maging melty na yung cheese. And then on the other slice of bread, I'll be spreading some spicy brown mustard. Layer in your arugula and steak, or you can use any kind of leafy greens that you have. After that, we'll add grilled onions and drizzle with some chili and garlic oil. Ganun lang kadali, and our cafe-style breakfast is served. Excited ako dyan. I-cut natin in the middle and check out that cross-section. Pag alam kong ganito yung breakfast, parang excited na excited akong gumising sa araw-araw. Sobrang dali rin lang gawin, so hopefully matry nyo rin to soon. Kain tayo!